Now latus rectum, how many latus rectum are there? In the ellipse we are having 2 latus rectum, because we are having 2 focus, so that is why 2 latus rectum. And latus rectum in the plural form it is pronounced as latra recta. Okay. So a definition for the latus rectum. Now a chord, same definition which we have already done in the parabola. Now a chord through a focus at right angle to major axis is called latus rectum. L-A-T-E-R-A, latra recta. Now here we are having L, S and L dash latus rectum, or L1, S dash and L1 dash as a latus rectum. Sorry. Now let L, S, L dash be latus rectum of length 2L. Now therefore distance of SL is equal to distance of L dash is equal to L. SL and SL dash. Okay. Now the coordinates of L are AE comma L. Now since L lies on the ellipse, therefore by definition x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now coordinates of x is AE and coordinates of y is L. So we are having a square e square upon a square plus L square upon b square is equal to 1. And further here a square and a square cancels, we are left with only e square. So what we are having, L square is equal to, now this e square goes that sides and b square times 1 minus e square. Is it clear? Now L square is equal to b square times b square upon a square. Now what I have done it, we have taken b square is equal to a square in the bracket 1 minus e square, which gives 1 minus e square is equal to b square upon a square. Okay. So from here now L is equal to b square upon a, length of the one side. Okay. So now L S L dash is equal to 2L and this is equal to 2b square upon a. It was b square upon a, so now 2L is 2b square upon a. Therefore length of latus rectum is equal to 2b square upon a. Now equation of the length of 2. now we are going to use plural form. Length of 2 litera recta L dash and L1 L dash are respectively x is equal to negative of AE. First is LL dash, x equal to positive of AE and x is equal to negative of AE. One thing. And second important thing is coordinates of extremates of litera recta. So we are having here now, first of all with L, coordinates of L will be AE, B square upon A square, L dash for this part, AE negative of B square upon A square, then L1 will be negative of AE B square upon A square and L1 dash lower one, it will be negative of AE negative of B square upon A square. So this is all about the